This video has gone viral on internet, so let's try out. So which foundation should I use? L'Oreal or Bonjour? L'Oreal? Okay. Oil is floating and the foundation has accumulated here. So I don't know where's my spatula, so I'm going to apply it using this brush. I'm going to mix it. I'm going to apply it off of my face. I don't know. I feel it's just a waste of my foundation. Can you see how much foundation has been wasted here? But still, we're gonna try it, right? So I'm using a foundation brush. I'm gonna blend this out. So let me apply the same foundation on half of my face. Like I'm gonna apply it directly on my face. This is with water and this is like a direct foundation which I've applied. Let me blend this out nicely. Let's see whether this is waterproof or not. Face, and look at this. Wait 1 second. Look at this. I can see foundation on both the sides. I don't know. Have I gone somewhere wrong? Okay, just forget it. No from my side. What about you? Comment below and let me know.